The 2026 BMW Z4 stands as a refined expression of open-top driving, blending classic roadster character with modern performance and technology. As one of the last iterations of the current Z4 generation, it represents a mature and well-balanced sports car that focuses on driver enjoyment without losing the comfort and polish expected from a premium BMW. Its low-slung proportions, long hood, and compact rear emphasize its rear-wheel drive layout, while the soft top roof enhances both style and practicality by allowing quick transitions between coupe-like refinement and open-air freedom. Under the hood, the 2026 BMW Z4 continues to offer a choice of turbocharged engines that cater to different driving preferences. The S-Drive 30i is powered by a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine that delivers strong, responsive acceleration while maintaining impressive efficiency for a sports roadster. It feels lively in city driving and confident on highways, making it an excellent option for drivers who want everyday usability paired with engaging performance. For enthusiasts seeking a more exhilarating experience, the Z4 M40i raises the bar with a 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-six engine that produces significantly more power and torque. This engine gives the Z4 a distinctly aggressive personality, with rapid acceleration, a deep exhaust note, and effortless high-speed cruising. An available manual transmission further enhances driver involvement, a feature that has become increasingly rare in this segment. The driving dynamics of the 2026 Z4 remain one of its strongest qualities. With near-perfect weight distribution, a rigid chassis, and precise steering, the car feels planted and responsive through corners. Adaptive suspension options allow the driver to switch between comfort-focused cruising and sharper, sport-oriented handling, making the Z4 versatile enough for both relaxed drives and spirited runs on winding roads. The rear-wheel drive layout ensures a pure and engaging driving feel, while advanced stability systems provide confidence without interfering too much with driver control. Inside, the cabin of the 2026 BMW Z4 reflects BMW's focus on driver-centric design. The cockpit is oriented toward the driver, with a clean layout that keeps controls intuitive and within easy reach. High-quality materials, including leather upholstery and refined trim options, create a premium atmosphere that feels upscale without being overly complex. The digital instrument cluster and central infotainment display run BMW's latest iDrive system, offering smooth performance, crisp graphics, and seamless smartphone integration through Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Despite its compact size, the Z4 offers comfortable seating with good support, making it suitable for longer journeys as well as short, spirited drives. Practicality, while not the main focus of a two-seat roadster, is handled well. The soft-top design allows for a relatively usable trunk compared to many rivals, providing enough space for weekend luggage or daily essentials. With the roof up, the cabin remains quiet and well insulated, while lowering the roof transforms the driving experience, letting in engine sound and road atmosphere that define true roadster enjoyment. Safety and driver assistance features are thoughtfully integrated, offering peace of mind without diluting the car's sporty nature. Standard and available systems such as automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and adaptive cruise control make the Z4 more comfortable and secure in everyday driving situations, particularly on longer highway trips. Overall, the 2026 BMW Z4 delivers a well-rounded sports car experience that combines performance, luxury, and timeless roadster appeal. It is a car designed for drivers who value the connection between machine and road, offering excitement when pushed and comfort when cruising. As one of the final chapters in the current Z4 story, it stands as a fitting tribute to BMW's dedication to driving pleasure, making it an appealing choice for enthusiasts and style-conscious drivers alike.